beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. In today's video, I'm actually gonna show you guys something very interesting. This is something which is not new in the market, but this brand is totally new to me. I have seen this product before as well, and I absolutely love it. But I have to show you guys why I love using it from this brand. This brand is called Blissy. Now Blissy is actually one of the brands who does a lot of lifestyle luxury products. One of their product is silk pillows. I love using silk pillowcases because it really helps with your skin and your hair. It keeps your hair really nice and smooth and silky. If you are not using a silk pillowcase, you probably won't understand what I'm talking about, and hopefully after this video you will consider to get one because they are really good for your skin and your hair. This particular one has a lot of benefit. It improves your skin because the fiber of the silk pillows are less absorbent than those of cotton, so allowing your skin to retain more moisture. So your hair actually doesn't break as much as if you use a cotton pillow. Now if you're a kind of person who like to leave their hair down when they sleep, like I don't like to put my hair in bun or braid or anything, I like to leave them open. It's just because I feel more comfortable to sleep with my hair open than putting them in a braid or anything. So overall, silk pillowcases are really helpful for your skin and for your hair. So today I'm actually going to show you a Blissy Pure Mulberry 100% silk pillowcase. And I actually, because just for the video purposes, I actually didn't even open it to show you or start using it, because I wanted to show you guys first their packaging, how the pillowcase looks like it. I already have a pillowcase from them anyway, which I'm already using it, but this is another one I received in PR, so I just thought I'll make a video and show you guys as well. So these are that I believe they come in 4 different colors. You can either get white, black, gray, or I think there is a pink or a rose gold one. So I've got the white one here. I love white. I love everything in white color. So this is how the pillowcase looks like. It's pretty big size. It's pretty much queen size pillowcase, and you can put it on and it's really good, and it's literally so soft that it just makes your sleeping experience totally different to a next level. So if you are looking for something like this, do check out Blissy because you're gonna absolutely love it. Their quality is really nice. They are very comfortable and really good. And the other thing I absolutely love about Blissy is when you wash your pillowcases. I have tried a really big brands in the past as well, and I have to tell you the quality experience with them has actually not been that good. And when I use the Blissy one, I absolutely love it. Their quality is really good, and oh my god, I have to tell you guys, after even washing it, it stays so nice and so soft. How you can tell the quality is good. It is 100% silk and it's amazing. So do check out Blissy if you are looking to get something like this. I have to tell you, you won't be disappointed because it's one of the best purchase you will do for your skin and for your hair, apart from your skincare and everything else. So we have to look after our skin and hair externally, internally, and even what we use in our furnishings. So yeah, so this is a really good option. Do try it. You will notice a huge difference. Once again, all the information regarding Blissy will be mentioned in the description box below. Until you try it, I cannot stress this enough. Until you try it, you have no idea what I'm talking about, because this is something is going to change your skincare and your hair care to another level. So do check out Blissy as soon as you can.